we can use the same process of lacto-fermentation to make all kinds of pickles. You can use carrots, you can use string beans, you can use cauliflower. I'm going to make another pickle in a smaller jar that I recycled from some store-bought sauce and make more pickles. I want to make sure that the carrots are going to fit in the jar, so I'm just marking this with my thumb so I get the right size sticks. Pickled carrots to have more of like a spicy ginger vibe, so I'm cutting up a small piece of ginger and I'll put that at the bottom of the jar. And some chili flakes. Pack the jar as full as I can. And just because there's space, I'm going to add the rest of the cucumber as well. And then add the brine. It's the same ratio of salt to filtered water. I'm going to make sure all my vegetables are covered. And I'm going to use one of these lids that allows gas to escape. And that's it. Now we wait. Lacto-fermented beet pickles are actually one of the more traditional bases for making a borscht broth, and you can add the pickled beets in at the end or in the middle of your cooking for a really good deep sour beet flavor.